people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Y'all, I'm still in the kitchen, okay? And this time I'm making Pani Popo. Now I've been seeing this everywhere, all over TikTok and everything. Everybody's making it, okay? I think the original guy was Samoan, I think, surfer. I don't know, y'all. I'm sorry if it's not right. I don't know. But anyway, I've seen a lot of people make it, okay? So I'm going to do it with my own little spin. Some people use coconut milk with water and sugar. They make the dough from scratch and all that. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all how I do it, and we're going to see how it comes out. Y'all ready? Alright, let's get started. Before we even get started, I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan. Okay, and I have these pre-made frozen dinner rolls. Y'all, they are, okay, I'm going to insert the picture right here. Okay, I had to freeze them separately in Ziploc bags because, or freezer bags, because it's 36 in there, and I was not about to cook 36. So I separated them, and we're going to do it like this. All right. And then I'm going to cover these, and I'm going to let them rise for a few hours, and then we'll be back. And loosely cover these with some plastic wrap. And while these are rising, let's go ahead and make the sauce that's going to go on them. For the sauce, now I told y'all I've seen it done several ways. A lot of people use coconut milk and the sweetened condensed milk. Some people use coconut milk and water and sugar and all that stuff, right? This is what I'm going to do. Cream of coconut, okay? That's what I'm going to use instead of coconut milk. So, because cream of coconut is thicker, much thicker than coconut milk, but it has a more coconutty taste. So, I'm gonna let y'all see. Y'all see that? But then, when you scoop it on out, you'll see there's the oils and all that stuff, right? And it has like coconut pieces in it and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to use this instead. And if it doesn't seem to be quite coconutty, creamy enough, I have my milk right here to add to it. But I think the cream of coconut is going to be good for it, okay? And I'm going to add my condensed milk. Yeah, I know I believe in getting every little bit out. Still got a little more. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Alright. So I'm going to use my little whisk here. And I'm just going to whisk all of this together. And it is thick. So I think I am going to add just a little bit of milk. I'm going to taste it first though. Oh, that's good. I don't think I'm going to add any milk because that is really good. Scratch the milk, okay? Don't add this. Just use that. Okay, just use this and some sweetened condensed milk, because when I tell y'all this little concoction right here is delicious. All right, let's get our rolls. Now y'all was gonna let me forget the vanilla. Don't fall now. We don't want you to fall in there. Hold on, y'all. Just a quick little splash, about a teaspoon, okay? Now we're ready to get our rolls. Okay, our rolls have risen, and I think that's good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the plastic off. Now you're supposed to use anywhere from about half to 3/4 of your sauce while baking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it right on top. And then you reserve some of it for after to go on top when they're done. Okay, I think it's ready to go. And I don't know if y'all can see, the reason why I used cream of coconut, because I knew it was going to have more of a coconutty flavor. I don't know if y'all can see these pieces of coconut, the little coconut meat, or the meat of the coconut, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it's time for it to go into the oven. I'm going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll be right back.
I'm here for a taste. Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, y'all. Y'all saw it, so we finna get into it. Y'all ready? Okay. Now, they say they're not supposed to be soggy, but they pretty juicy.
It does look a little juicy.
Pani Popo.
I'll try it. We'll see.
Okay, so here we go. Okay. We gotta get some juice on it.
Okay.
Don't look like that.
Is this kind of like bread pudding almost?
No. So my little taste testers over here, they trying to wait and say, let them see what the daddy say first. Okay, I'm gonna put a little juice on here, cause you're supposed to have some.
Yeah. I'm getting the bread pudding vibes.
Okay.
Now, I mean, if you like bread pudding, then you know. I mean, it looks nice.
We close. I'm sorry, y'all.
Closer than close. Yeah.
You dropping on me?
Okay, let's see.
All right.
Pani
Popo. Now it don't look soggy.
No, I got it. I like how it smells. That's nice. What do you think, fam? Boy, it looks soft and soggy.
Come on, taste it.
All right, here we go. It's not bad. It's almost like
Give me.
Wait, one more. You know what it's like? It's almost like
I'm gonna taste the next.
It's almost like a treat that you get from CC's or something. It's not bad. You know, I gotta have one more for the family.
You can get one more. I'll let you get it. I just wanted to. Man, it's good. You don't want the rest. Y'all see he's still eating it right.
Yeah, it's good. I'm not gonna front. It's good, y'all.
He's still eating it.
It's real
he don't
good.
even want to get a plate up.
Hey, call me in here. I have to do the job for us all.
And I want some more. See how he act?
It is good, y'all. Gotta make it. I can't lie. It is very nice.
It's real good.
See, look, I left you enough to drip on another one.
That's okay, because I'm going to give me my own roll. Come on, baby. You know you want to taste it. Come on, girl. You want some little sauce on the top? I know. Why you got your big old paper plate?
I ain't trying to do no more dishes. No, just on top.
You don't want just on top?
It already look a little wet.
You got to have the juice.
Okay, no more juice.
A little more juice. A little more juice.
Oh, my God.
You got to have the juice. You got to have the juice, baby. The juice. Y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Popo. Can y'all see it? Now, where your brother? He gonna like it. I'm trying to get it to where y'all can see it good. There you go. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna back up. Let my baby come on. Come on.
I mean, it do smell good. I would say that.
It almost tastes like a coconut honey bun. I don't know. It's good.
God dang, I can't cut it. Okay. All right.
It's good.
It looks a little slimy. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Look at her. Delicious. That's it for this one, you guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Love y'all big.